Hello guys, how are you? Today we know about how we draw business card in easy method in Corel Draw. If you interest in that kind business card, then like my video and subscribe my channel. Double click on rectangular tool. Rectangular is draw in the size of business card. Click on pen tool and draw line, then we know the size of business card is 3.5 multiplied by 2 inch. Click pick tool, select line and move forward. Click right button of mouse, it create copy. Then select Smart Fill tool and fill in business card. Fill any color which you want in business card. Take any image, select and move to Object Option Power Clip. You can see that your image inside in business card. Select any logo which you think that it is better and paste it. Type your company name in the place of company logo, it up to you. I think you better understand my instructions at the end. Fill color in company logo, which show more beautiful your business card. You can also use interactive fill tool in business card, which show more attractive. Fill any color. You can also use interactive fill tool in business card, which show more attractive. Now like and subscribe channel. If you support me, I will create more creative things for you. Thank you.